Hello everyone, this is Zainab Musabi. In this video, we are going to explore the layout of the course manager of a Moodle site. So first, let's take a look at the right side of the platform. Here, you can find information about announcements, events. For example, the next Zoom meeting is on Sunday, 15th May. And calendar, you can find calendar here, activities, and it shows also completion progress. If, for example, I've done the first activity, so it shows the green color, and for the rest, it shows the blue color. And comments, and also you can find online users here. It shows level up and latest badges that I don't have any badge. And then let's take a look at the main page. In the middle of the page, there are topic sections of the course. Every week we need to do some activities. For example, for week 1 introduction, we need to introduce ourselves, and also we need to create a video introducing the layout of the course. And in each section also you can find some video tutorials, guidelines, and as I said, activities. For the other sections also it's the same. We need to do all the activities to get the completion certificate. And if we go to the left side here, it shows course content. Again, it shows the content of the course, the different sections of the course: introduction, general site administration. And if you click on them, you can directly go to that topic section and do the activities. And then you can find the courses that you have enrolled, and then course navigation. You can find the name of participants, the badge, the criteria for getting the badges, and grades. And then finally, you can find site navigation information about manager, site home, manager of Moodle site. So this is site navigation. Thank you so much for your attention.